Hello, Jakub from Arsandis here. Today I've got Andrea from DataSweet here with me. Thanks again for coming. Why don't you introduce yourself a bit?
Sure. Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a consultant to the confectionery industry. I founded my company more than 20 years ago, and this company is DataSweet. And DataSweet is a provider to the confectionery industry. We do a lot of consulting, training for the staff. We do product development, and we sell different type of equipment for the confectionery industry.
As you probably know, conducting business is getting more and more challenging for many companies. It is often required to sell your products all over the world, and you have to manage your employees and customers in many different places.
Yeah, but can VR help to solve these issues?
Yes, absolutely. You can move around different locations, interact with different digital objects. You can work with the machines and you can learn how to use and repair them, and so on and so on. But those are just few possibilities. There are many, many more.
Okay, I understand. In the industry, there are often hazardous conditions. Employees need to learn how to operate new machines. There are additional costs because of professional training of new people or to optimize their training. Will VR help us with all that?
Yes, moreover, VR is also an amazing e-learning tool.
How so?
VR is stimulating your brain as well as your muscles. That's why it's much easier to memorize new knowledge. For example, how to repair or how to use new machines.
I see. So let me summarize. VR is a cost-efficient training alternative for employees. It can be used everywhere and anytime. And you can customize simulations to fit your needs. Did I get it right?
That's correct, and many companies are already benefiting from this technology. Thank you, Andrea, for taking your time today. Bye for now.
Okay, thank you.